Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with the Kroger ad preview. I'm doing it in a different way today because honestly, I usually just take the pictures of the ad, like each section, but there's just not. I'm not gonna lie. In my opinion, it's definitely going to be a slow week at Kroger, and I was expecting because this last mega event was awesome. Now, I actually saw someone on Instagram post that we were getting a buy four, save four, which they weren't lying, but it's a very, very small one. It is one of those, Kroger does these frequently. This is like just a beverage and snack little mini mega event. It's not going to be a big full-blown mega event. I kind of knew that was too good to be true. And we got my least favorite one that Kroger does, the 5X digital sales. I hate these things. But, you know what? It's not horrible. There are some pretty good deals here, but I don't know. I just can't get too excited over these because I know the drama they cause with coupons. Because, yes, per corporate, you can stack a manufacturer coupon with a 5 times digital coupon. But a lot of the stores just don't understand that because the majority of digital coupons are manufacturer, and therefore, you can't use 2 manufacturer coupons on one item. This just causes a lot of drama. So, yeah. But really, I don't see that many coupon matchups in here. So, we'll just see what happens on Wednesday. So, I will go through Wednesday. There will be hundreds of items in this deal that they don't put in the ads. That's my job on Wednesday, to walk through and take pictures of everything and come back with a video. So, let's just get started. If you haven't seen the current Kroger videos, check those out because it's on fire right now. Okay, $6.77 a pound for the New York strip steaks. Produce, that's really great. 98 cents for the grapes, and then $1.99 for the fresh ground beef, and 99 cents a pound for the split chicken breast. Now, as always, these are going to vary. The meat and produce always vary. I don't know why, but they do. Just depending on region. This is the Columbus district or whatever. Okay, here's some more stuff. That's kind of high for the milk, in my opinion. So around here, a gallon is $1.39. Okay, they're doing a 4-day digital sale. We'll just do the 4-day sale first because it's a pretty decent sale. So these are digital. Very weirdly, these are not. So they did a little mix up. The cheese is 99 cents, which is always a good one. And then spend $25 on coffee and save 10. So this works in the sales and stuff at Kroger. So that honestly, and here's proof right here that you can use a manufacturer coupon with this. It literally says $25 after all coupons. So if you can use manufacturer coupons with store coupons, why would they put that in there? So that's your proof. Anyways, here's the 4-day sale. These do not take 5 times digitals. We have Doritos and Ruffles, $1.59 when you buy 3, which is a phenomenal price. 69 cents when you buy 10 of the Propeller Gatorade. That's a good one too. 5 for $5 for Kleenex. We have a 50 cents off a 3 coupon in the 414 Smart Source. That's actually it's all right. It's not the best. $1.99 for the Kroger Bratzo Italian sausage. Oh, I forgot. Marvetta sent me those Kroger Pharmacy coupon books, and there are 50-cent Kleenex coupons in there. So, you know what? 50 cents off of one. So you can get those for 50 cents a box if you have those booklets. That's an awesome deal. $1.99 for the Kroger Bratzo Italian sausage. Buy one, get one free fresh baked traditional cookies. And then Gerber products are 25% off. In the description box below, I'll have the links to internet printables that you can load. So that'd be a really great deal. So like I said, the bulk of the ad is this 5X digital. I am not going to sit and read out everything. That would take forever. I'm just going to slowly pan through the ad. Click pause if you want to read anything specific. And I'll point out deals that I actually think are good. That's decent for the Morningstar and Gardein products. It's nothing crazy, though. I just can't. I'm not too excited about this one, but it could get better. That's what Wednesday's for. They usually don't throw all the items in here. Okay, and I didn't talk about this, did I? This was the good page. The Country Time and Kool-Aid, 99 cents. That's a phenomenal deal. They're regularly $4.29, so you don't want to pass that up. The Kellogg's Fruit Snacks, 99 cents, and we do have a 25-cent Ibotta. The milk there. We always have General Mills cereal coupons in our inserts you can stack on top of that, so that could be a good deal. Here's more 5X. Yep. That is really good for the Kroger oatmeal and peanut butter. 99 cents is a phenomenal price. And this could definitely be stacked with this. Just make sure you get to $25 after your digital coupon. So that actually is probably a deal I'll most likely go and do. That's that's a great one. Because think about it, $5.99, so six, about five of them. No, I'd only need, no, you have to get five to get up to that. So it'd be about $30. You get the 10 off, so $20 for six of the coffees. That's phenomenal. That's better than it was last week. Yeah, okay. That is it for 5X Digitals. Now, let's talk about the Mini Mega. Buy 4, save 4. And I don't see anything that exciting. And now this is just sales. I'm trying. I can't get too excited about this beauty event, but it has to be after coupons, so what's the fun in that? And here's the back, and here's where you're all going to be really upset, I'm sure. I do have one freebie. It's not the freebie y'all are probably thinking. Okay, buy one, get one free on Noosa. That's actually pretty good, because you might have some coupons for that. And down here, the Chobani, Cliff, or Lara bars. 88 cents when you buy 8. For this, you can just buy one at $1. So buy 2 of the Cliff Mojos at $1. It comes to $2. There's a $2 and 2 Ibotta, so that makes it free. And look down here. No free Friday. Yeah. I originally thought they were making a switch to bi-weekly. I tried to give them the benefit of the doubt by saying that it was because of Easter that we didn't have one last week, but I don't know. Might be looking like free Fridays are ending. I don't know that for a fact. Maybe we'll get one next week and they'll go back on schedule, but I don't know. It seems like they're phasing that program out. I mean, with the business mind, why would they do it if they're going to have a bunch of people still come in there anyways? I don't think it's going to make anyone stop shopping there because they quit giving us free things on Friday. Kroger's still really good overall with deals, so it's not like a deal breaker, but I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. So, yeah, that's all I have for this ad. Thank you so much for watching.